Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Google One redeem code. Want to redeem a Google One code for extra storage or benefits? I'll show you how to get and use a Google One redeem code step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to check for promotions. And to do that, just visit one.google.com, write it in your browser, and after that, log in. Now, once you log in, check your email or Google One account for available promotions. Now, for the second step is to find Google One redeem codes from offers. Google sometimes provide codes via YouTube Premium, Pixel purchases, or Google One trials. So look out for emails from Google Rewards or Play Store offers. The third step is to The third step is to redeem the code. And to do that, just go to one.google.com/redeem. Let's write it here. Redeem. This page cannot be displayed. Now just look using the search bar for a redeem option. If you have already a redeem code, and after that enter the Google One code and click redeem. As for the fourth step is to confirm subscription. Now if valid, you'll get extra storage or premium features instantly. And for additional tips, check Google Play Store rewards for discounts, and also Google One codes may be included in Google promotions or credit cards offers. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you get and redeem a Google One code just by checking your email, Play Store and Google offers. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.